Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make an offer in a house on Trulia. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Trulia account, which of course I've done right here. Now I'd like you to know that Trulia is an American online real estate manufacturer, marketplace, all right, which is a subsidiary of Zillow. It facilitates buyers and renters to find homes and neighborhoods across the United States through recommendations, local insights, and map overlays that offer details on a commute, schools, churches, and nearby businesses. So now that we know a bit of what Trulia is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to make an offer on a house on Trulia. So from this homepage or from here, you can select the location, of a house that you want to buy or that you want to make an offer on. Or you can head over to the buy tab at the top left corner of your screen and click on home for sale, new homes, or recently sold. So let's say home for sale. So select the home. I'm just going to select any kind of home right here because we're learning together. So over here, page is still loading up. So here, so once you select the home, you're going to see this option, schedule the tour and request info. So go ahead and click on request info. So over here, you have to enter your phone number and your email and your message. So you have a customized message here for you. I'm interested in this particular apartment, and just go ahead and click on request info. Let's say it's going to add my number. If you want to talk about financing, please click on that because we need to talk about financing. We're making an offer for this house. So say by pressing request info, you agree that Trulia and real estate professionals may contact you via this, and which may involve the use of automated means, and you're not required to consent as a condition of purchasing. Or so that's it. So go ahead and click on request info. Okay, so they don't accept phone numbers from Nigeria, so you have to enter a valid phone number and click on request info. And once you click on request info, it's going to you're going to get in touch with the agent or the property owner, and from there you can now start making your offer. But I'm going to show you the steps or the tips that you can definitely take to keep in mind when you are making your offer. So it's important for you to know how the offer process works so that you will not just be working on eggshells and at the end of the day not get what you want. So number one, you learn how the home offer process works. So that's before you get your offer ready, you want to know what to expect. So these are the things that you should expect. So your agent sends your offer to the seller, or you do that directly, and the seller could accept the offer, decline the offer, all right, or counter offer. All right, and then the next thing you need to do is to pick a starting price. You have to get help from your agent to pick a starting price. Then set your contingencies and other offer details. All right, and then decide how much money to put in escrow. All right, that's your purchase agreement will include how much money you're putting down as an earnest money deposit. All right, you have to consider that. And the next step is to consider including a house offer letter. All right, it's very important to include a house offer letter so if you know the seller has an emotional attachment to the home and you think they'll appreciate knowing how much you love their home, go ahead and tell them in the letter that that will be delivered with your offer. Then send your offer. So when you're ready, have your agent deliver the offer to the seller or the seller's real estate agent. Now it's up to them to respond. Now that's it. So after you have put all of these in mind and all of these considerations, all of these tips, you have applied them, then you can apply them when the agent or the property owner of this property that you want to make an offer on reaches out to you. All right, so that's pretty much it. So using the phone number or the mail, you just have to watch that they could call you or they could send you a mail. That's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.